I am going to teach your second semester third module. So that is partial differential equations, that is in short form is PDE. So first we have to see the syllabus. So first point is formulation of partial differential equations by elimination arbitrary constants and functions. So this is the first and second points. So next one is solution of only non-homogeneous partial differential equations, that is only non-homogeneous, not homogeneous, only non-homogeneous, and that is also by direct integration. The next one is solution of homogeneous partial differential equations involving derivative with respect to one independent variable only. The next is solution of Lagrange's linear partial differential equations. Next one is derivation of one dimensional heat and wave equations. So these are the very important, and their solutions by variable and separable method. Okay, so this is your syllabus. The next we can start here. What is the definition of partial differential equations? So, and differential equation involving one or more partial derivatives with respect to more than one variables is called partial differential equations. So it means what? Any differential equation involving the any one or more partial derivative terms. So that equation is called as partial differential equations. So for example, that is first one, x into dou z upon dou x plus y into dou z upon dou y is equal to x square plus y square. So this is also one example, and another one example, second one is, that is second order, that is dou square z by dou x square is equal to dou z upon dou y. Or third, you take another one, that is dou square z divided by dou x square plus dou square z divided by dou y square is equal to 0. So these are the some examples about partial differential equation. So we know that the what is order of PDE and degree of the PDE. So same, it is differential equations. What is differential equation order? And here also same definitions, and degree is also same here. Then order of the PDE, that is the order is the highest derivative present in the equation called order of PDE, and degree means the positive integral power or degree of the highest order derivative in the equation called PDE. PDE means partial differential equations. So degree and order, some examples are there here. Here dou z upon dou x plus dou z upon dou y is equal to 0. This is homogeneous PDE, order 1 and degree 1, because both are dou z upon dou x and dou z upon dou y are there. So order is also 1 and degree is also 1. And here, so this is dou square z upon dou x into dou y. So this is with respect to two variables are there, x and y. So this is non-homogeneous PDE. Here order is 2, and automatically degree is the whole raised to 1 is there. So therefore that is degree is 1. Therefore this example PDE order is 2 and degree is 1. And similarly this is also dou square z upon dou x square plus dou square z upon dou y square is equal to 0. This is homogeneous PDE, and this is order is 2 and degree is 1, because the whole raised to is nothing, whole raised to nothing means it is 1 only, that is degree is 1. Then now we have to see the examples, some examples here. So this is the example 1. Form a PDE by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So first we can form here one partial differential equation, that is by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So what is arbitrary constant means? In this equation, so in this equation arbitrary constants are a and b. So these are the arbitrary constants. Now we have to eliminate these two constants. So how we can eliminate these two means, take it as solution. Given z is equal to, this is the given equation, right? It is equal, it is equation 1, and this equation we can differentiate partially. So differentiate partially with respect to x and y. Both times we can, first we can differentiate partially with respect to x, and second time we can differentiate partially with respect to y. First we can differentiate with respect to x means the z, that is partially, that is dou z upon dou x. So this dou z upon dou x we can denote in p, and p is equal to, differentiate this term means here x plus y and y plus b both are in multiplication is there. So here y is the treating constant and x is variable, and here constant is y plus b, both are constant, right as it is, and x plus a differentiation is, x differentiation is 1 and a is constant, that is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So y plus b into 1 is y plus b only. So called is equation 2. The next we can differentiate partially with respect to y, that is dou z upon dou y, dou z upon dou y. So this dou z upon dou y we can denote it q, small q, and this is equal to, and here with respect to y means the treating x is a constant. Now x is a constant means x plus a, this is both terms are constant, right as it is. Then y plus b, differentiate partially with respect to y means the y differentiation is 1 and b differentiation is 0. Therefore 1 plus 0 is 1, x plus a is x plus a only, and called is equation 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. So therefore second equation and 3 equations we can substitute in 1. That is, one equation means z is equal to the x plus a and y plus b. First, what is x plus a is dou z upon dou y, and what is y plus b is dou z upon dou x, or we can write is z is equal to p into q is the required PDE. So this is the first example, simple one, and similarly we can take second example, the same one, that is z is equal to x plus a the whole square plus y plus b the whole square. So this is the partial differential equation is there one. Then here a and b, here arbitrary constants are a and b. Now we can eliminate a and b. Here also we can eliminate a and b. Solution given z is equal to same given equation we can write x plus a bracket square plus y plus b bracket square. Call it as equation 1. Same here also, differentiate partially with respect to x and y. So differentiate partially with respect to x and y means first dou z upon dou x, called is, we can denote it is dou z upon dou x is equal to p, and is equal to x plus a the whole square. Here with respect to x means this is variable, the x plus a bracket square we can treating here x square, like that is 2x plus a into x differentiation is 1. So 1 into 2 into x plus y is 2 into x plus a only, plus y is constant, b is constant, the whole term becomes constant, the differentiation of constant is 0. So this remaining is dou z upon dou x, or it is p is equal to 2 into bracket x plus a. This is called as equation 2. Similarly with respect to y, means again dou z upon dou y, dou z upon dou y we can denote it is q is equal to, this is differentiate with respect to y. With respect to y means treating x is a constant, a is constant, x plus a is constant, the whole term becomes constant, this term becomes 0. So remaining is y plus b the whole square. Therefore y plus b the whole square means it is, y is variable, again it is 2 into y plus b into y differentiation is 1, that is 2 into y plus b, b differentiation is 0 next, that is 2 into y plus b into 1. This is equation 3. And again same, substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Therefore 4 z is equal to p square plus q square. 4 p square plus q square is the required PDE. Okay. Similarly we take another one example. This is third question, that is z is equal to a into log of x square plus y square plus b, and here also we can eliminate a and b. Here also we can eliminate a and b, means these are the arbitrary constant. Solution, write z is equal to given equation, that is 1. Differentiate partially with respect to similarly x and y, and first we can see the what is differentiation with respect to x. Differentiate partially with respect to x means the only x is variable, remaining terms are constant, that is dou z upon dou x is equal to, we can denote it is p is equal to, a is constant, this term we can write a as it is, Now log of x square plus y square, or log of x differentiation is 1 divided by x, that is 1 divided by x square plus y square into what is the x square differentiation is 2x, and 2x into a is 2ax, plus y square differentiation is 0, and remaining is 2ax only, plus b is a constant, it is 0 only. So this is second equation. Next one is with respect to y, that is dou z upon dou y, we can denote it is q, and similarly here also a is a constant, this a is right as it is, and log of function is there, that log of function means that is 1 divided by x square plus y square into bracket x square differentiation is 0, because this is the differentiate partially with respect to y only, because x square is 0 plus y square is 2y. So 2y plus 0 is 2y only, 2y into a is 2ay, this term. This equation called is 3. Now we can eliminate a, and here also a and here also a is there, so we can divide it by 2 and 3. So now equation 2 divided by equation 3 we get, so a divided by 2 means 2x and 2y, 2 is also cancel, a is also cancel, just you can simplify. After that we get py minus qx is equal to 0 is the required PDE. So this is the some examples about eliminate arbitrary constants. Okay, thank you.